What's going on, everybody? We are here. Sorry about this morning. Hopefully you guys like the intro. We got a lot of troubleshooting to do. You got to let me know if the audio is working. You got to let me know if the video is working. You got to let me know if everything is working. Treat it like this is the very first live ever. We got chat on the right screen. We got chat on the left screen. We got chat on every screen that there is. Hopefully everything's going to be okay, guys, because we got to figure this out and we'll move forward and it's going to be good. Hopefully all of you guys had a wonderful new year. You are ready to start 2022 off. The market looks like it is ready to start 2022 off perfectly. Everything, except for AMC, is green today, and it's green with some pretty good gains too. So let me know how this is going, and we're going to see what it's got. This is by far the most productive I've been at work in months. Devil's advocate, I like it, man. Today was the last day of that productivity. We're going to get back to normal after this one, and hopefully that's okay with all of you guys in here. So let me know about the audio. First off, audio. How is it? Because we've got a new microphone, and I don't know if we're double micing it or what the deal is. Video is too clear. Switch back to your laptop. Oh no! I don't want the video to be too clear. What are we gonna do about that? We gotta go back to the laptop now after everything that I just did today. Now I get the rest of the week off. Do you really? Oh, you're just messing around. You're just saying you're going to hang out with me now. I gotcha. How's the audio? Is the audio okay? Currently, I have the microphone behind the camera. Why is Lauren not being used in the background? I do not know. I think that would actually be a better background than what I've got planned. I just went and spent $300. It was like $350 at Home Depot yesterday. So hopefully the background looks good because... Not going to be a green screen, I'll tell you that. See, the renovations are complete. Diffy dog, yeah. Well, kind of, man. The renovations... I was putting blinds up in here today. I didn't like everything coming through the window there. We got that light set up there. The ring light, awkward place. I'm going to have to buy a new ring light for where it's at right now, but we're going to be good to go. Sound and mic and video is Gucci. Flamingo Jones, man. Thank you very much for being the only person that responded to let me know that the audio and video are working fine right now. Sounds good, looks good. The only thing bad about it is the lag of the... Oh, honestly? Yeah, I don't know where you get them, but the light bulb in the lava lamp broke yesterday. So I don't know if you guys noticed this morning's video. The lava lamp was not on. And I think last night's videos, the lava lamp was like dying. So I need to get a new light bulb for the lava lamp. After 20 years, the thing finally decided to break. Finally, Mr. Simon, what's going on, man? Huge discount on Shiba. Rob, yes, we got a big discount on Shiba right now. Shiba is falling. Let's see. This is going to get a little awkward. Let's see. Are there hotkeys? Does anyone know if there's hotkeys to change your scenes in Streamlabs? This is going to get a little awkward. Maybe not. I don't know if I move it over here. That might be okay. If I move that. Okay, let's get rid of that. If I move this here. Oh yeah, that's probably fine. It's a little crack. Dude, it better not be crackly. There better be no crackling in this mic whatsoever. No. Yeah, I do. No, I posted a video this morning, Devil's Advocate. I didn't do it live this morning. I mean, you should objectify your keys like that. I don't care how attractive they are. Yeah, I don't know. I couldn't see it, so now I can see it, so it should be good. Guys, is the audio literally crackly? Because there's no way it should be with this brand new mic. There's no way. I'm going to say no on that one. All right, let's see. That's good. And I highly doubt you guys got a notification for this live. Did you? Little crackles. Why would there be crackles? I don't know about that, man. Saitama up 30%. Just added 50 more AMC. Very nice, Victor. Added 50 more AMC. All right, I can see the deleted message here. Maybe. I don't know. Devil's Advocate deleted that. Okay. What's up, people? Welcome to 2022, Clay, bro. AMC Trapper, thank you very much. About to put 60 in. About to put 60 in. I'll be at 36 million Shiba. Very nice, Rob. Very nice. 36 million Shiba. I hear Fon Clay. Thank you very much, Mr. Simon. I was wondering about that because the mic should be good to go. All right. And then, oh, did you guys see the intro screen? Look at this. I built this intro screen since I was working in this room all day long. I don't know if you can hear me on this, but watch this. This is really cool. Isn't that sweet? Isn't that sweet? How can I pay with Shiba on my eShop? I own 2 eShops with customers all around Europe. How can I accept Shiba? It's actually a very good question. Stephanie, bro. Yo, Stephanie, bro. What is going on? Frank said so too. Yes, Frank did say so, but I don't know. If there is, I have no idea what that would be. Clever, who put you in a box? I'm telling you, I put me in a box, man. I put me in a box. Stephanie doesn't like my beard. Oh, no. Finally, there's 1 billion Adogelon. Very nice, Victor. Yeah, I got to fix the beard. I know. I got to fix the beard a little bit, Stephanie, bro. Let's see. I don't know exactly what your regulations are in Europe, though. But if you can get a hold of, like, payment processors like Now Payments or Flexa Payments, both of those payment processors will allow you to accept cryptocurrency, including Dogecoin. Rocket, thank you very much for the super chat. First 2022 tax write-off of the year. First super chat of the year. Thank you very much, Rocket. Absolutely appreciate that, man. We need to, since I got this new since I get the new setup going, I need to get those names back at the top of the screen. I need to get that going on. So, Rocket, thank you very much, man. Absolutely appreciate that. Smash that like button for Clay's sake. LGB, oh, let's go, Brandon Coin. It is going to be huge. Gotcha. Shih Tzu Inu. Yes, I was like, LGB. Uh-oh, what are we saying here? Happy New Year to all you glorious apes. This is going to be a great year for our community, bro. Esse cenário é muito estranho. Yeah, well, look. I got nothing going on back here yet. Okay, I got nothing going on. It's just a corner. It's just the wall. No background. She said the scene is a little weird. No background yet, guys. I got to figure that out. I did buy the background. Okay, I got to build the background now. But I spent $350 at Home Depot yesterday. Hopefully I can get it all taken care of and get the background going here pretty soon. Right off Super Chats. Yo, Barney, you hear this, dude? Oh, dude, I mean, I guess you could. Advertising expenses, right? You're coming on here. You're advertising with each and every Super Chat you got. Crypto Rocketeer. What do we got in the wastebasket, man? Who knows where we can mine Shiba? So, Flamingo, Nice Hash is trying to set it up. You cannot currently mine Shiba, but you can mine another coin and have those payouts in Shiba Inu coin. Or you can, if you're used to mining, you can go mine yourself and then trade those coins for Shiba Inu coin. But you can't actually mine Shiba Inu coin right now. Freddy, go Metapets, and new one Zelda. Ooh, and a new one, Zelda. Inu Zelda. I have not seen that one yet, Freddy. Inu Zelda, I have not seen. Bro, happy 2020, guys. Let's go 100K this month. Guys, let's get 100,000 subscribers this month. Please, that would be amazing. I would love it. Stephanie, bro, thank you very much for the member chat. Absolutely appreciate that. Let's go, guys. 100,000 this month. I love it. Chris, not hearing any snap, crackle, or pop. And believe it or not, your boy got another paid day off because a vaccinated coworker got COVID. Forgot my original point for the super chat. Cannabis Ape in here. Very nice, Chris. I love it, man. Cannabis Ape in here. We got a couple shares of Tilray now, right? I do not own any Tilray. Let's see. So I'm glad you got the Cannabis Ape going on there. And another paid day off. Perfect, Chris. Perfect. That's the best kind of day off there is. Ask Devil's Advocate. He loves getting paid days off from work. World Star Promos is me. I was DMing you on your Instagram. What was actually Claybro5? No, Muhammad. No. So I'm not Claybro5, man. I'm Claybro underscore, or not even underscore. Claybro883. Look, this is... That's the Instagram and Twitter right there. Also in the description below if you want. Congratulations, Stephanie Bro, on 7 months. Yes, Danelle, thank you very much. I believe when you mine a Shiba, it's referred to as breeding, and you need to like a license to, I think, to do that. Yeah, dude. So if you're out there breeding Shiba Inu dogs right now, you definitely might need a license if you're trying to be a licensed breeder. If you just like dogs, then more power to you, right? See, Chris, pay your rent. I think Chris is going to pay his rent. I think he is. He's got that money set aside and ready to go. Why is everyone getting paid days off but me? The dude to my left at work and across from me work both have COVID, and I'm just here working like nothing happened. Dude, and look, I'm not going to sit here and discuss CDC guidelines or anything like that, but I'm pretty sure you can just work now if you got COVID. I'm pretty sure you can just go back to work and like you're not even sick, so it's going to be fine. If you look closely on the wall, Equilibrio fang marks can be clearly seen. What about now, Diffy Dog? What about now? Is that where it was? I don't know where they're at. Oh, Ethereum. Oh, Ethereum is garbage. Does not like Ethereum there. Man, I think the overall, we should put more cryptos over here too. All right, more cryptos over here. All right, cool. Got some cryptos over there now in the watch list. Looking good. We have a mining center and want to learn how to get into Bone and Leash. Oh, Flamingo, you got a mining center? Like an actual business that you mine coins with? Or you get it in your house? Devil's Advocate, not due till next week, so we'll do Friday. Appreciate the wordplay. I've been calm with my spending. I get pretty risky, but method to the madness, my friend. There is a method to the madness. We don't have to worry about Chris paying his rent. Rent is going to be paid on time. Very good. Mr. Anything Tech, man, what's going on? You having a good day today? Sorry, guys. Sorry that I missed this morning's live stream, but we are back and we're ready to go now. Yes, we will get the background fixed. And look, there's actually a lot more room behind me than it looks like on the screen. Because, like, it's a deep corner. It's a pretty deep corner there. Plenty of room there. Yeah, dude, the method to the madness equals eviction notice. We do not need an eviction notice by anybody in here. You look younger without that bright light in your face. Shredda. Well, actually, I do have the bright light in my face, man. I'm not going to lie. I don't know if the brightness is the same brightness, but look. That's all the way up. I can't do all the way up like that. Can't do all the way up. Okay. I don't know where it's at. All right, that's probably good. How you feeling about today, man? I feel really good about the market today. Not gonna lie. What is this, man? Why did this change? We gotta have AMC up there. Not the NASDAQ getting ripped right now. Come on. We don't like that. We get AMC sitting at 26.70 right now. Prog sitting at 221. Very good on Prog. GameStop 151.92. And Shiba is sitting at 32.50. Pulling back a little bit from those 33.50, from that 33.50 level we saw when we were trading at sideways all afternoon today. But hopefully we continue to trade above 3,000 points per coin. We need to see that. Are there any places that are conducive to trading and not have a ton of gas fees? So Flamingo Jones, yeah, man. If you want to use a platform like Webull, there are no gas fees associated with making trades on Webull in cryptocurrency. However, you do have a spread. So you know if the price, like this price right here, 32.44. Show you guys where it's at. So 32.44 on Shiba Inu coin. If you're to go out there and buy this right now, there's probably, I'd say, a 40 to 50 point range on each side. So you would be buying this for roughly 32.90, and you'd be selling this for about 3,200 points per coin. So there is a spread if you buy it on Webull, but no gas fees associated whatsoever. As long as you're okay with that spread, you could buy and sell the Shiba Inu coin 1,000 times a day, and same deal for all of these cryptocurrencies. So if you do want to trade it, you know, you can trade it on a platform like Webull, but you need to remember that if you ever want to transfer it out to a wallet, you cannot transfer it out to a wallet. You're basically just trading the derivatives of the cryptocurrencies on Webull. let's see. Where we got? My gosh, I missed a lot. Picture is so clear. Dude, the picture is too clear. I'm telling you guys, the picture is too clear. And I don't get it. I don't get why the picture is so clear. I'm like, I was like setting this up earlier today. I'm like, dude, I need to shave. I need to shave a little bit. Like, the picture on the screen is actually bigger than what I look like in a mirror. So I'm like, yeah, I cannot believe this. I do need to shave a little bit. Rocket, thank you for pointing that out and making me aware of it once more. Rocket, you thinking Clay is more sexy in the clear video, less sexy, or about the same? Don't lie to us. He's beautiful under any lens. Thank you very much, Rocket. But no, I'm pretty sure I answered that question. So it is very clear. And I don't know if it's any different for you guys, but it's definitely different for me because I'm not viewing it on a little laptop where the picture's like this big anymore. I got two 32-inch monitors here. And yeah, I don't know if it was necessarily a good idea. I should just be streaming directly from my phone so nobody can see what's going on. But here we are. Thank you very, very much. Flamingo Jones. Absolutely, man. Paul, what's going on? He's saw that. Where is Paul? Darn it. Who is Paul, man? I don't even see Paul in the chat anywhere. Oh, Paul Wright. There he is. What's up, Frank? What's up, Paul? Let's see. Got rid of the wooden background because the price of wood went up. Making that money. No, actually, I went to Home Depot and I bought a bunch more wood. So there will be a new background soon, man. I just couldn't get the background done. And I need to know, Clay, my super chat point, went incognito on YouTube. You were third video for AMC. Very nice. Chris, man, thank you very much for letting me know that. I did not know that I was number 3 for AMC. Yeah, so for the background, I'm not going to do this whole wall. I don't think it's necessary to do the whole wall, but I'll probably do like just below where the camera is to just above where the camera is. And I don't know. I think I might make it corner. I think I might make it corner. What do you guys say about that? Diffy dog not gave it would sleep. Nah, there's not enough room to sleep. I'm gonna be honest. There is enough room to sleep back here. Diffy dog. If it sounds like something you're interested in, well, let's get started. No, dude, there is enough room because you could easily put your feet under the desk there, or your head, I guess, if you wanted a little bit more, if you wanted a little darker. Yeah, dude, there's enough room to sleep. It's not, really, it's like I still got like another 3 feet before I hit that corner there. It looks different on the camera, but there's actually a lot of room. But I think I might make a corner background. I think I might do that. No chat on desktop, though. What do you mean no chat on desktop? What do you mean no chat on desktop? What are we talking about here? No chat on desktop. I don't even know what we're talking about. Rocket chat finally showed up on computer. Are you comfortable sitting all day? Shredder, no, I'm not. Actually, I walk laps around the house in between live streams, and it took forever to pull the chat up. For you? Well, that sucks, dude. My chat's up right now. Follow nobody on Twitter. I follow a lot of people on Twitter. Somebody said nobody puts baby in the corner, right? No one puts baby Clay in the corner except maybe Clay himself. Yeah, I don't know if I like the corner, but the way I got this, the camera set up on the tripod right now, I need to fix that before I finally determine where the background's going and all of that stuff. Still 100 degrees in there? No, Danelle, I got the windows open. I got the windows open right now, so it's actually a very nice temperature. It was ridiculous earlier. No one puts Claybro in the corner, Shih Tzu Inu. Nobody. Except me. I mean, I guess I put me in the corner. Saw a tweet from Charles Payne, said, pumped to make 2020 the best year ever. No way. Chris, you gotta tag me in that tweet then, because that's pretty funny. I'm going to have a blast with the I'm gonna have to, dude, yeah. I might just have to turn the miners off or something. in the summer because there's no way this room lasts in the summer. Sorry, Clay. Blink twice if you've been abducted. To Nickelback trick you, and now you're in your basement. No, actually now I'm upstairs. Nickelback did not trick me. It is all good. We're good to go. It was just there was some more setup that I didn't realize I had to do on the setup here. The computer was good, but like the arrangement of the room, where the actual desktop was, where the monitors were, I needed to put some blinds up. Like I had to do a lot before we did it. Turn the monitors off. It sounds like a felony. It is not a felony, man. It is not a felony. The monitors are running right now, and they do warm this room up a lot. Yo, Claybro, Lee, what's going on, man? I need one of those things. I either need to get a new chair, which I probably will do, but I definitely need something where I can roll the chair around on this carpet. Chad is downstairs eating eggs. He could be eating eggs. I do have about a dozen eggs in the fridge right now. Blows and Concha, a varsity fight team, assemble! We about to teach this Charles fellow what pain actually is for stealing our boy's catchphrase. Oh, I got one. Yeah, there you go. The miners. You guys know what I'm talking about. The cryptocurrency miners. Come on now. And I do like the fact that I got chat on both of these desktops right here. That is good. So if we switch over to here to actually look at Weeble, I can't really see the screen, but I can still see the chat. So we're solid on that one. I do not have Chrome hooked up in here, so I got to get that hooked up if we go to look at some cryptocurrencies. I gotta show you this. Look what I got myself for Christmas. Now this right here, this is fun. I don't know. Hold on, we'll go big screen. Where we at? We'll go big screen on this. This right here. You guys need to get one of these. Okay, you need to get one of these. That's a fact. Quit. Send it on Twitter. Thank you very much, Chris. Appreciate that. Is cloud mining good? You can. I just mine directly. Going to last longer than your slime? I hope so, man. I think it will. The slime did not last very long, but this will not dry out. This is good. She was testing my patience lately. Yeah, she was testing everybody's patience, especially dipping down right now. But look, Shiba has been holding very well above, or right in that 3,300 point range to 3,400 point range. So if it continues to hold there, we're gonna be good. What are we looking at? JB, you were looking at this, man. This is my. I don't know what this is. My green ball, I guess. It's my green ball. Looks like an alien implant. Dude, it actually does kind of. Oh, I don't know if that's what you're referring to or not. It's kind of what it feels like, though, man. I do mining also Bitcoin and Ethereum. Paul, very nice, man. I'm mining with my current setup. The most profitable coin is Raven coin, so we are currently mining Raven coin with that. When to buy Prog? Oh, sorry, Freddie. Just saw when to buy Prog. So actually, with Prog going up right now, man, we ran into a little bit of resistance in this area before. Let's see if I can. Okay. Well, we do got a couple stocks over there on the watch list now. Except we don't need all of that. Let's make this graph as large as possible. Okay. So, and we don't want it to be hidden behind me. So let's go out to a daily graph. So with Prog rebounding right now, we got a little resistance in this area that we're in. You guys still can't see it. We got a little resistance in this area that we're in right now at the $2.30, $2.40 mark. If we break through that, could be an excellent time to get back in. But it does seem like we bounced off that $2 level of support that we kept talking about there, and we are on the rebound right now. So if that's the case, now could be a very good time to buy Prog. If it kind of just stalls out right here in the $2.30 area and starts to turn over again, you're going to want to wait. But now could be a very good time to get into Prog. Saitama, bro. Saitama. What are your thoughts on Saitama, Irishman? What are your thoughts on Saitama? What's up, Shiba Wizard? Just got online. Mariana, the dog whisperer. I also just got online, so you're doing just fine. Yo, Matic has dropped by 15%. Clay, time to buy. What is... It was below 250, right? Woo! 230. My gosh, 238. Is now the time to buy it? Is now the time to buy it, Freddie? Or no, Diffie Dog said that. It's now the time to buy it, Diffie Dog. If you say yes, maybe I add some. Because I know it has dropped below that 250 was... It was 236 a second ago. My gosh. All right, we are at a little level of support here. What are you doing, man? You only want me to draw a trend line? I want a horizontal line. You kidding? Alright, well apparently we can't draw anything other than trend lines. Why? I don't understand why we can't draw anything. Oh my gosh, it's way over here. Wow, that's dumb. Alright, we are at a level of support right here. So we're going to have to see if that holds up or not. Alright. Yo, we in class. Gorilla Bean Popper. We are in class and we are ready to go. Saitama on Weeble. Pugnacious. Saitama is not on Weeble, and I don't even think Saitama is viewable on Weeble. I know for a fact that you can't trade it on here. It's not even... It doesn't even seem like it's viewable on Weeble. Hope everyone is paying attention. There will be a short quiz at the end of the session. Paul, there definitely will be, man. Let's see your angry face. Miss Chatty Cathy, I do not have an angry face. Come on now. What would give you the idea that I have an angry face? Tell us what you think on Saitama. Irish, I think that Saitama has an extreme amount of coins outstanding. If you ever expect to reach the same prices that Shiba does, you're not going to do that. It's got 100 times the amount of coins outstanding. I believe it's, what, 500. What is it? 50 quadrillion. There's 50 quadrillion coins for Saitama, I believe. Because you got 500. That would give you 5 quadrillion, 50 quadrillion coins. Yeah. So it's an absolute just... It's never going to reach a penny, if that's what you're talking about. Saitama and Hex, love it. It will last, though. Something will last. Saitama? Saitama could last, if that's what you're talking about, Trapper. Absolutely could. Let's see. Watching the Mole. Question, was a historically famous book about a doctor with a monstrous side. Clearly, the answer is Jekyll and Hyde. Who said Dracula? Another reason why it failed. Chris? Maybe? Don't know. How is Chip Bro supposed to get to the new studio? That is the question that I must answer by the time springtime rolls around. No. Who said that? Way up here. Mr. Anything Tech. That's the question I got to get answered by the time springtime rolls around. I either build that dude like a small little ladder, I teach him how to climb a rope, or I teach him how to climb the stairs. Like go through the house and then walk up the stairs and so on. One of those things needs to happen by springtime. Quiz will be after the pre-quiz. JB, that's how you get the best grades, man. Like a true 12-year-old. Gotta follow up with Weeble because I didn't get any of the cool stuff when I funded my account. Like none of it. Pugnacious. I don't know if you know where to click, but you got a little icon in the top right. If you click on the icon in the top right, it's going to take you to like your account page, and then there's like a little section that says My Rewards, and you can click on My Rewards, and then they might just not be claimed yet. You have to go claim them. So I don't know if you did that or if you tried to do that and it literally doesn't pull anything up. Banana Man! Thank you very much for the super chat. I hung out with a close friend of mine over Christmas. Smart guy. Can't tell you where he works, but it's on Wall Street. He's an insider. He told us at the table that crypto will crash. Mass liquidations incoming. Just a warning. Up to you. Banana Man. I like the way you put that, man. Just a warning and it's up to you. Thank you very much for the warning. Look, guys, yeah, and hey, I don't know. I mean, I imagine why would Banana Man come in here and make up a story like that? We don't need to know where he works. We don't need to know what this guy's got going on. But shoot, man, if he works on Wall Street somewhere and he's got some sort of an idea as to why crypto would be crashing, and I don't know, take some risk off the table if you believe it will. Thoughts on CBDC, threat to BTC, and other cryptos. It's picking up momentum across the board. Dude, CBDC? I don't even know what coin that is. CBDC is the coin? Or is it CBD coin? If it's CBD coin, I doubt it's CBD coin. That's only, it doesn't even have market data being tracked right yet. Cheers, Banana Man. Thank you very much, Banana Man. Pringleton, what's going on? How you doing? In before the KC Shaw AMC stream, viewers come in. Joe Exotic, what now? Rope for sure. Build a little house for him by the window where he can come get his food. JB, it does sound like it's something I'm interested in, man, because he actually, the window in this room is just right above the patio door. I don't think it would be terribly difficult to... I don't know how I would get him to recognize that the food is up here, though. But, like, the window's directly above the patio door where his current food is. So it wouldn't be impossible to teach that dude to climb the rope to come up to his new house. What do we close on, Pringleton? Let's see what we closed at right now. We got AMC sitting at 26.53, Shiba 32.65, GameStop 153 flat, Prog $2.25 flat. Crypto seems to be continuing its pullback, and I guess the end of the day didn't fare so well for AMC. They're pulling back a little bit. Basically, digital currency that is endorsed by banks. I wonder if that is this. Is it CBD coin or is it completely something else? Click. Dates to keep in mind for Prog. They're presenting at BioConnect on January 10th, and all the accidentally posted patent data was for the 18th of January, so should be big month for Prog. Guys, listen, that is true, okay? I don't like when you have to, wait for some sort of a catalyst to drive a stock price higher. Prog was doing very well without catalyst and over the last couple of months, really. But if we do get a sick jump because of patent releases or just this news coming out later this month for Prog, that is going to be very nice. Now, I currently do own Prog. I did not average down when it was at $2 per share. I probably should have at this point because it's already back up 10%, but I did not. And I'm still going to be able to take advantage of the move to the upside if it does go, if it does blast off once the patent information is released. It is not a coin. CBDC is a central bank digital currency. Gotcha, Diffie Dog. Okay, then in that case, I've not heard about that. Unless you're just saying central bank digital currency, like in general, because I know different central banks are trying to create those, but I don't know any country that's actually endorsing their own digital currency at this point, or any country that has their own digital currency that people are actually buying into at this point. Question: if AMC fundamental price is $6 and then say gets put at $12, if AMC is currently at 26, what happens to the hedge? What happens if apes can't buy and hedges push AMC down to the fundamental price? So Chris, I think I know what you're saying. If you're saying what you just said, right? I think what you're asking is, will they cover, and then will the price of AMC go up? So, yes. if for some reason Wall Street analysts across the board believe that AMC is valued at $12 per share, and let's say that we completely run out of buying power, and the day traders and retail traders that are kind of, propping the price up too and jumping in and buying it when it goes lower, if they stop buying and we do somehow decline down to $12, in that case, if AMC is not facing bankruptcy, if AMC is at its fundamental value, there would be no reason whatsoever for the hedge funds to short it. Now, they may not go out there and close their positions right away. They may try to taper their positions off and close them a little slower, but they would have no reason to keep their short shares, open at that point. They would be inclined to close their shares. They would have no profit potential. 69.9. Let's go to 70 during the are we at 69.9? 69.9. Oh, I wonder if I move this page, if I can keep the chat up. I don't know if I can do that. I don't know if I can do that or not. $69.9. What are we at? Oh, guys, we could go. We got 69,941. We only need 59 more people to click the like or click the subscribe button, and we're there. I highly doubt there are 59 of you in here that are not subscribed at this point. If you are, just click the subscribe button. We can go 70 during the live stream. Let's make it, man. Let's make it. 69.9 for sure. Miss Chatty Cathy, yes. Question: do you think today, being so green and after so much red, that one can assume it's turning around, or plot twist that people will be happy to see green and take profits tomorrow more red? Yes. Yes. Devil's advocate, it is going to be one of those two scenarios. So I do think that today could be a turning point. We ran through the end of 2021. We're now in 2022. There may have just been a lot of profit taking going on into the end of the year. As far as reasons the market is falling, guys, the only thing, we're all adults here, right? You can mention coronavirus, and as long as YouTube algorithms don't get all weird, you're going to be fine. But as long as those fears were the only thing, and in my opinion, that was the major factor driving the market lower. Aside from end-of-year profit taking, that was the major factor driving the market lower with this new variant that's out there. If that has subsided, which we have seen some different, releases coming out from the CDC and their guidelines and things like that. If all of that kind of subsides and goes to the wayside, yes, we will see a turning point and we will start moving up. If it's still lingering in the back of investors' minds, this might just be a nice profit-taking day to start off, or a nice bargain hunting day to start off the year, and we may see a continuation of the dips. But the weird thing is, if you look at the indices out there, S&P 500, Dow, and NASDAQ, they don't represent the kind of action we've seen over the last couple of months. We've seen red day after red day after red day for 6 weeks straight, and you don't get that. Their graphs don't represent that, so it's very weird when you go out there and graph the indices. I don't know if this is the Greek guy or if this is Russian, but very sorry, my Ukrainian friend. I do not speak Ukrainian or Russian, so I cannot read that. Very sorry. What I'm hearing, central banks are working on their own digital currency built on proprietary blockchain. Plan is to heavily tax altcoins and BTC. So, truth to Banana Man's post. Diffy Dog. Yeah, man, that does sound, and I've read articles, not saying that they're doing that, but I've read articles that they're like they want to be able to control the digital asset world, and how they do that is through their own digital currency. So I have heard that there are central banks across the globe wanting to do that, not just one central bank or one world currency, but it would be basically a digital fiat, digital version of the dollar. So if they do that, man, it depends on how much they want to tax Bitcoin and stuff. In my opinion, I don't think it's going to kill digital assets. Yeah, it could hurt, and we could see it dip down for a while. You guys are absolutely right on that. But whatever country steps up first and says that they're going to embrace altcoins, Bitcoin, they're going to flourish. They're going to flourish. It's if they just give up a little bit of control or for that decentralization, they're going to be doing very well. What's up, bro? Alaska, what's going on? Clay, read the last comment, please. It's kind of important. I wouldn't make this up. I see this. No. Banana Man, I believe you. I don't think that you're making it up at all, man. I don't think you're making it up at all. Banana Man said, one more thing. He said, most of crypto is not even held on Wall Street financial centers, not retail either. He's not certain where most of crypto is held, but it's not on Wall Street. So most of crypto is actually held on cold wallets. It's just cold storage. So I don't think that it's... I mean, I agree with that too. I don't think he's making that up. It's not held on Wall Street or by institutions. A lot of it is by some of these guys who got in early, started mining Bitcoin, buying it up, and now they got those, those little, what are they, Trezor or whatever the name is, wallets or Ledger wallets that they've got out there that they can just store it on there and then put it in their briefcase and move about the world wherever they want to go. That's actually where the majority of Bitcoin is stored. So I can't say that's true for, all coins. I think that Trust Wallet and places like that do hold a lot as well. But Bitcoin is... There's only 1.3 million Bitcoins that are still on exchanges. So the vast majority of it is being held on in cold storage. Yes, boy, I don't care what these people say. You give me sass like this, and I'm going to put you in the corner. Man, I don't want to be in no corner. Following the jump last January 28th, I would think a lot of that could have been influenced by end-of-year tax, capital gains, etc., and yearly positions, not or same, if not more this year. 25th. Bringleton, so that is true, right? If they were waiting the 31 days to get back in, so they could have written losses off at the end of 2020 and then jump back in at the end or at the very beginning of 2021, then yes, you could have seen that could be a reason why we saw the 28th being the day that things started to pop off. 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, whenever it was back then when GameStop really started to roll. Fatima, AMC has been read 92% of the time. A lot have held and weren't worried and still holding. Keys to the castle don't come easy. Gotta keep fighting for it. Absolutely, Chris. That is what we are doing. Is it possible the American government do not want cryptocurrency to succeed because they cannot control it? Jim, yeah, man, it's definitely possible. Okay, I don't think that the government wants anything to be out there that they don't have control of. That includes you, man. That includes you. I'm not picking on you, Jim. I just want to tell you right now that the government wants to have control of you. They need to have control of you. Otherwise, they're no longer in control. So they will do whatever they can. Politicians can go out there and they will make as much money as they can personally on cryptocurrency, and at the same time, they will tell you that they need to create a central bank coin or CBDC, like we were talking about here with Diffy Dog and Banana Man, in order to still have control of the currency that country uses. I'm sticking with my 25th January. Pringleton, let's get it, man. I hope so. Never financial advice, guys. You know that. Never financial advice, but look, if you're in here, you learn something, and you're like, I can apply that to my financial situation, then yeah, maybe you're good. Who's to stop the U.S. to buy everything on the market? They certainly can afford it. Right, dude, they'll just print their money. And if they want to buy something and they don't have $1 trillion to go buy it, just print $1 trillion. If they want to buy something and they don't have... Can you... Listen, this is really distracting, and I just got to get it out here. Like, on this new computer, I can clearly see where my neck beard connects to my chest hair. Like, was it always that clear for you guys and it's just a completely different game for me? Or is it actually different for you, too? Because I'm telling you, man, I'm noticing things about myself that I did not even know existed on this computer. So Please let me know. Unlike Occupy Wall Street, Counselor Murray, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Unlike Occupy Wall Street, they can't get the police to kick us out of the park. Hodl, they can't keep this up forever. Victory is ours. Counselor Murray, you're exactly right, man. You're exactly right. They cannot force you to leave. They cannot force you to sell your shares, pack up, and move on. If you don't get scared, you're going to be fine. But they cannot force you to give up. Only you can decide to give up. Counselor Murray, you're exactly right, man. If we hold our ground, we will win. New look, new year. Now we just need some stuff for that wall. Yes, Mr. Enormous. I bought a bunch of stuff yesterday. I just got to find the time to get it ready and put it up now. Got to stain some wood. Got to get some lights going. Good job, JJ. It just made me look and realize New Year's was 4-month, 20-day, and not even lying. What? 420? I don't even know what we're talking about. Chris, I don't even know what we're talking about. Yo, bro, heck of a year so far. Zach, yes, it's been a great year so far. It's like a unibeard. Yeah, Freddie, that's what I'm wondering now, man. So I got to see if everybody else is noticing the same thing. Who has 2 thumbs and a new month badge? This guy, Mini Ape Alec. Very nice, man. The wall behind you makes you harder to see. Banana Man. That's true. The wall behind me is not going to... I actually do. My gosh. Kind of look like exactly the same color as this wall. The wall behind me is not going to stay like this forever, though. Clay is growing up so fast right before our eyes. Frodo, no. Oh, my gosh. Claybro put Claybro in a corner. JJ, yes. I think it's a lot clearer now. Which doesn't make any sense that it's a lot clearer. But I'm noticing that it's clearer, too. But it doesn't make any sense because the camera is literally the exact same camera. Yes, shave and cut your hair high and tight. Tommy, I'm gonna need to do something, man. The government is not worried about crypto. They're not the bad guys. They are not the bad guys. It's the USA stock market that sees cryptos as the threat, but they're coming around now. Now they can see both can coexist. So Octo, yes and no. You know, I completely agree with you that investments have to compete against each other. So, you know, when you're in a risk-on scenario, in the old days, money flowed into stocks instead of bonds. Risk off, it flowed into bonds. Now there's an even riskier asset than stocks, and that's cryptocurrency. So, I guess in a risky scenario, you go into stocks. A risk-on scenario, you go into cryptos, and then a risk-off, you go back into bonds. So there is that fight there for the money and where the money flows between investors. But if you're looking at digital assets as actual currency, you know, then the government wouldn't like that. The government wants to be able to regulate something, and they can regulate the stock market with the SEC, but they absolutely have no control over decentralized currency. They can tell you you can't buy it, but you can still buy it. They can tell you that you can't trade it or hold it, but they can never shut it down. It's my miner in the background right now. It's rolling. What it's doing right now, man, is verifying every transaction that takes place for Ravencoin. Unless they were to come in to everybody's house that was mining a coin, they will never be able to shut down the ledger. Now, they can call the bank right now, dude. My money in the bank is frozen. I can't touch it. I can't do anything with it. All they got to do is flip one switch, and the bank is done. My money's done in the bank. The cryptocurrency, because it's decentralized, and because it doesn't rely on any one party to continue verifying these transactions, things may slow down if people give up and quit, but they cannot stop it from, I guess, surviving. They cannot stop the decentralization of it. And that's what they don't like. Okay, I'm not. Freddy's in Prog. Let's go, Freddy Pringleton. Yes, getting a bit weepy, and they grow up so fast. No! I'm not growing up that fast, guys, I promise. What happened? I do not know. Just bought the dip. Will the Hill. Very nice. I assume you're talking about the dip in Shiba Inu coin, correct? Negative 9 degrees here today. Oh my gosh, Alaska, that's extremely cold. Hey, Clay, I watch all your videos at 58 million Shiba. I want to know how much you believe in Shiba. You think this coin will really go, really to pump up? So, yeah. what is his name? Gibandera 23. Sorry if I'm saying your name incorrectly. I do believe that Shiba Inu coin has a lot of potential. Okay, now how long it takes to reach the all-time highs again, I do not know. Money clearly needs to flow into crypto. If you look at the left side of the screen here, you can see all of this crypto is just getting ripped-o today. Money is flowing out of crypto and potentially back into stocks at this point. So we do need to see the overall crypto market improve if we expect Shiba Inu coin to improve. Now, with that being said, Shiba Inu coin is improving its fundamentals. It's creating new projects almost on a daily basis. More retailers are accepting it almost on a daily basis. It is absolutely beautiful. So I do believe it'll go up. We had a discussion on here before where we came to the conclusion, feel free to say, so if I'm remembering it correctly, the crypto is largely for tax evasion. Why wouldn't the government hate it? Yeah, I don't know if that's like the main part of it, okay? Because at the end of your cryptocurrency venture or whatever you want to end up calling it, if you have to transfer it back into dollars to go spend it, then you're really not going to be able to evade any taxes. If you can go out there and spend your Shiba Inu coin, for example, you insert any cryptocurrency you want in there, then at that point, you kind of could, man. You made that money. Nobody's reporting that you made that money. And what you're able to do is go out there and spend that money. So it does make for a stickier situation for them to collect taxes if people are making very large gains in crypto and never converting it back to dollars. Because remember, if you convert it back to dollars, that bank is going to report your suspicious activity coming in. What if my money isn't in the center of the bank, though? Like, say my box is on the left side of the vault and thus isn't centralized. Does the government want to assassinate me? Serious answers, please. No, your bank is still good, man. How do you feel about Mega Pets? I do not know about Mega Pets, but Meta Pets, I have Meta Pets. I was waiting for a dip to add more Metapets, and Metapets never dips. It only ever goes up. So I'm very happy with what Metapets has done so far, but it's never provided any dip buying opportunities. Let's see. Got to go down on this chat. I know I'm behind. Let's see. Crypto getting ripped out. Yeah, crypto is getting ripped out right now. Thank you for replying back. I believe even more too. Very good. And I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong. Gibadera. I'm very sorry. I took out money from crypto today to buy some stocks. Alaska. See what I'm saying, man? When crypto is going down, stocks are going up. It could be the reasoning for it. Shitoshi Nakamoto totally may have spelled that, but do Bitcoin and Shiba have the same false name as the creator? No, the creator of Shiba is Ryoshi. Shitoshi is one of the main developers on Shiba right now, but Ryoshi is the guy that created Shiba. Here we go. All right, but didn't you and I conclude with a debate before that fundamentally, if we get it where it should be, that you just buy with, and it's non-tax, and then both the pro and the. Yeah, I mean, we did have that conversation before, but. That's kind of what they want to avoid, that, right? The government's trying to avoid that, and that's kind of what people are going to. That's kind of what people are like trying to move towards, is being able to spend your coin. However, I still think the cryptos are viewed as an asset as opposed to or an investment as opposed to just a cash asset. So you're not going to see many people out there spending them. I should buy this dip in AMC to lower my average. Clear, bro, you reckon it's going to drop lower before I buy and lower my average? Scott Spartan, so I don't know. I don't reckon where it's going to go or where it's not going to go. But if we do look at AMC, and all right, that's good there. We pull it out on a daily graph. We can see that it has turned back around, but we are right here at this level of support, man. So if it breaks down through, if you get a little confirmation to the downside tomorrow, then yes, I do reckon you're going to see some continuation to the downside there. Possibly down to 24. Maybe, if it's a heavy decline, maybe a retest of that $20 level. So be very careful in this area. It is a level of support, so we may just bounce right off of it. But if the downside continues, it could be, you could get a lot better buying opportunities than where we're at right now. Tesla shadow was, I didn't see Tesla at 14, but I did see Tesla at 11% today. You are now my main go-to. FK your pop. What? What does FK your pop mean? I don't even know what that means. I want my lemon pepper tendies. I don't even care what flavor my tendies are, man. I just want them. They're buying the rumor soon, and they will be selling the news. Hello there. I don't know what rumor they're buying right now, but as long as they're buying. Right, they want to avoid it, but isn't a large portion of why people like it, one is because it could get there one day, making the entire idea a catch-22. Yeah. Maybe. So for some currencies, definitely. Bitcoin, nobody's going to be using Bitcoin for transactions because the value of a Bitcoin and how hard it is to mine Bitcoins at this point makes it way too difficult to process all of the transactions. So you're never, I can't say never, man. I guess barring some huge revolution in the blockchain, you're most likely never going to see Bitcoin used as a currency. It's way too slow and it's way too expensive. Now, some of these other coins, like Ripple and even Shiba Inu coin at this point, you could see them being used as a currency. And I guess at that point, it just depends on why people are buying it. If they are buying it for a currency, then it definitely could reach that point someday. For the love of IKEA, please, or for the love of Ike or IKEA, please pull up Zelda. All right, let's see if we can pull up Zelda. Freddy, let's see if we got that. I need to add this anyway, so. Alright, Zelda Inu. I need to, my gosh, 89% today. I need to fix this. I need to fix this scene. Huh. I guess that's going to be fine. Maybe. We'll just here. This is going to be fine. Okay. That was easy enough. Alright, guys. Zelda Inu, if you're interested in it. My gosh, up 93% today. It's been around for a day. Okay? This thing is brand new. Been trading on CoinMarketCap for a day. Yeah. Earlier today. It's been out. Doubling in price. Currently sitting on what's got $2 million with a market cap, I don't know, we'll use the fully diluted market cap of $11 million with $2 million bought today. This is absolutely ridiculous for a coin that just came out. Market ranked at number 3,052. If you guys are interested in Zelda Inu, could be a pretty good one to get into. As long as these gains continue, you could have doubled your money if you would have just got in a couple hours ago. You get in this morning by 9:30 when the market opens, and then sitting at a cent. It's already at 2 cents. The cool thing is max supply is only 600 million. I mean, along with that, you're already at a penny, so you got to worry about that. Ridiculous. Today's the first day. Yeah, Freddy. Today it looks like it started trading very early this morning. I don't know, 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:30 in the morning maybe. How many holders you got? No, I don't want to copy that and do all this stuff on here and mess myself up before testing it a couple times. Very interesting, man. Zelda Inu could be a good one. Chain is Zelda on, it's on the Binance Smart Chain, so you're not going to pay a ridiculous Ethereum fee for going out there and buying it, but it's on the Binance Smart Chain if you guys are interested in getting that. Great organization helping dog shelters. Well, that's pretty cool. I did not know that they were doing that. What are your thoughts on the Robinhood analysts? Heard good and bad things. Like AMC, it says hold, sell and hold, which is against us. Then I see Tilray says more buy and hold, which is good for us or me. Chris, I do not know where they get that information from. Yeah, technically, we got that in 2 seconds. I do not know where they get that information from, but it's going to be coming from their data provider. So whatever data provider, whatever the analysts they use are, they're the ones that determine what price to declare for that. So if we're looking at, no, that's not what I want. I don't want it that big. We're going to have to add Saba here because we don't have it on this new watch list. All right, boom, over here. Technical analysis. Come on, go. Where you at, man? You don't want to pull up? Like, it's weird. All right, daily chart on Cassava Sciences. We are right here. Remember, we were talking about this being a level of support. Talking about this $40, $42 level being a level of support. We bounced off it perfectly. Okay, and then this goes all the way over here. This is weird. We bounced off this level of support perfectly, and one of two things could happen here. We could either start to get stuck in this area in here, maybe tighten it up a little bit, but I'm more comfortable using this line, and then where it tested back here and back in here. So we may get stuck in this channel right here. If we do, okay, we'll trade sideways for a second. If we break out of it, we could absolutely go on a run. So if you guys are interested in buying as it's rising, if we pass this $50 price tag right here, if we're able to break out through it, we could absolutely see it run. And honestly, we could retest $60 or even $70 per share rather quickly if we break 50 bucks. However, we may just trade sideways and start to channel in this area in between the levels of support and resistance there. So, bounced beautifully off support. We have to see what it does to resistance, though. And Rocket! I forgot to say thank you very much for the super chat, man. Absolutely appreciate it. Yes, Sava or Sava. Cassava? Is it Cassava or Cassava? I want to say Sava. Cassava is looking very good at this point. If it breaks that level of resistance, it's gonna look really good, shooting up to 60 bucks. Absolutely, Rocket. Thank you, man. Can you explain how you find the level of support? So, Freddie, just simply, man, a lot of people use different, approaches to it. Some people use moving averages to find different levels of support. But if you're looking at this graph right here, and you kind of just see, it tested this level down here. Boom! Couldn't break through. You can see it on the graph. Boom! Couldn't break through. Came down, retested it, boom. See, right now, let's just pretend that, it's very difficult, but let's pretend that you can't see anything after this date. It comes down, and cover up this side of the graph too. Let's act like you have no reference points. Just started trading here, and it's falling. You get no levels of support in mind, so you just bounce randomly. Now, what's it doing? It's coming back down, and it's going to retest it. How is it going to fare on that low that it just tested there? We'll have to see. Boom, that low held up exactly where it was before. So very nice. And in this point, we've got two reference points. We got two lows that we can connect right here. That's what this horizontal line is right here. We connected these two lows. Tested this area, couldn't continue down. Tested that area again, couldn't continue down. So with this horizontal line on, now let's pretend that it's trading day by day. It's bouncing and it's falling down again. This should be our line in the sand. And that is exactly what happened here. Sure, we broke down right here, but we were right back up the very next day. So this line is holding up very nice. The traders could not push it down below that line. As much as they tried, they couldn't get it down below. Might be my internet while I'm driving, but it keeps freezing. I hope that it is your internet. Is anybody else experiencing issues? Because I am plugged directly into the router, so I should not be having any issues at this point. How many zeros expecting us to shed in 2022? At least one, Steve-O. At least one. Now, I say one, but we could literally 10x and still be trading at 3 zeros and a 3. So it's not like breaking 1 0 is going to be any easy feat to do. We could 10x and still be at that. We could 20x from where we're at right now and still break and still only burn 1 0. Good over here. Thank you very much for letting me know, AMC Trapper. Hopefully it's good for everybody. Could you imagine having a wallet that was all Zelda Inu and Chainlink? Frank, I would like to have all of these coins that double and triple in a day. Do you think there'll be another huge burn like Vitaly did last year? No. Gale, I do not think there will ever be a 400 trillion coin burn again on Shiba Inu coin. Certainly not in any one transaction. The only way that can happen is and I don't think this is going to happen, but the only way that we can burn 400 trillion coins is literally if Shiba Inu coin lost 99.9999% of its value. And then if somebody went out there and did burn 400 trillion coins, it would be like an entirely new coin at that point, and people would be interested in it once more. JJ says, "Hey bro, you know what time it is? What time is it, JJ? It's the time to get..." I don't know what time it is, man. Maybe it's time to get started. Quit. You were as smooth as a baby's bottom. Christopher, what? Look at my beard, man. My beard is not smooth, dude. Definitely not. Mine is fine. Just not chatting much today. It's trying to clean up 4,000 emails from my inbox and get better organized. Cassie, very easy. Select all, delete. If you got 4,000 emails in there, you do not need any of them. I should know. I probably got 40,000 emails. JJ, man. JJ knows exactly what time it is. JJ, it's time to get hard. Like a diamond. Thank you very much, JJ. Absolutely appreciate that super sticker, man. And first diamond of the new year. So thank you very much. Appreciate that, dude. Please don't turn into a crypto channel. Please don't. This is the only channel I really enjoy, but do what you gotta do. No, Banana Man, I don't know if we're turning into a crypto channel, man. I mean, I do think that, I do think there's a lot of opportunity in crypto, right? Look, if there's opportunity to make money, I'm going to be completely honest. I want to be there. I don't mind if it's in crypto. I don't mind if it's in stocks, but, the vast majority of my assets are in stocks. So crypto is fun in the regard that it can literally do anything from day to day, and there's always a new coin, and there's always something 10xing and so on. Like, that's fun, but yeah, the vast majority of my stuff's still in stocks. Snow Cone, can you make a video on some cheap crypto like Shiba? Yeah, Snow Cone. So I could make a video on some cheap crypto like Shiba. Are you talking... So explain that a little bit better. Because there's a lot of cheap cryptos out there. But Shiba Inu coin has a very high market cap already. Are you talking a very cheap crypto that has a very low market cap that could explode higher in price and 1000x or 100x? Or are you just talking like another good, very cheap crypto that the market cap doesn't matter? And thank you very much for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate that. I actually think that that is Clay's emailing system. Pringleton, 100%, man. Inbox, just delete, dude. Say, oh, what's the time? It's time to get ill. Say, what's the time? It's time to get ill. What are we talking about, man? Like Zelda, okay, so like Zelda Inu, something brand new. The thing about Zelda Inu, though, Snow Cone, I didn't know about it until I think Freddie came in here talking about it. And it's very difficult to find a coin like Zelda Inu because it literally started trading today. I mean, as far as coin market cap is concerned, Zelda Inu started trading today. So very difficult to find ones like that. But yeah, dude. I mean, Zelda Inu is priced at a penny. So a low market cap. I could look at some more coins that have low market caps. Yeah, Clay, why don't I make a Shiba video already? I will. Pringleton, I will definitely get another Shiba video out. I promise you. Oh, Devil's Advocate is right. The CFB will always be a total market channel centered on options trading. Frank, very nice, man. Yeah, Frank knows his options, so you gotta do what you're good at and what you're comfortable with. And Frank knows his options for sure. Shinja, another hype coin. A lot of people on Shinja, that Shiba Inu deal. This is why we were all here to trade ideas and thoughts. Why we are all bros. Absolutely, Freddie. Absolutely. And look, man, you bring a coin like that into the game here. You talk about it. People don't have to go out and buy it and risk their money on it if they don't want to. But at least they know about it. Because I didn't know about it before Freddie came in here and said it. Beastie Boys, Clay. Beastie Boys. They got that ill communicate. Frodo. Thank you. I did not get the reference, so thank you for explaining it to me, even though it probably ruins it, right? Is Robinhood dying out? Can't tell if I should buy or keep it moving. Dennis, I do not know. Robinhood has no support in sight. So at this point, I would not buy Robinhood, even though it does look cheap, if that's what you're talking about. You got to watch it bounce first. You got to watch it find some levels of support that it can sustain the price and stops moving to the downside. Sean, later, homie, get better, dude. It wasn't a suggestion. It was an order. You will get better. Where's Sean at, man? Where's Sean at? Redline Sean just popping and say hi. Pretty ill, so I can't focus. I'll be back, guys. Keep looking away. Redline Sean, man. Yes, listen to Devil's Advocate. That is not a suggestion. You will get better. And I wonder how Lauren's doing. I messaged Lauren the other day, and she didn't message me back, so I hope she's doing okay. Share the wealth and knowledge so we all make to the Bro Trailer Park. Freddie, yes, the Bro Trailer Park. One step closer every day that goes by. What's your thoughts on Shinja? I think it's early enough to get in now. The market cap and price are both low. So the market cap on Shinja is actually not that low anymore. It's really rolling pretty quick. Shibanobi Shinja has got a market cap of not available. Having a tough day today, man. Shinja down 17% today with $2 million being traded. Looks like some big whales are out there selling today. You get $2.2 million. Check this out. You get $2.2 million of Shinja being traded today. And that's a 1,000% increase from the day before. And a huge sell-off right here. Taking you from $145,000 to $1.9 million being traded. Looks like some huge whale cashed out, taking the price from nothing to even nothinger, and drastically making a move there. So if somebody made a ton of money on Shinja today, selling nearly $2 million in one transaction. My God. Well, that dude's going to be happy today. He don't care about the price anymore. Down 17%. My gosh. Could you imagine going out and selling $2 million worth of Shinja? Nothing. Well, dude, when the price is 0.000000001 and it goes to 0.0000001, it goes to nothing to nothinger. There's no other way to explain that. Over 43,000 holders since November. Gail, talking about Shinja, right? Same with Saitama. Yeah, hop through the hoops all day. Your $100 becomes $5 after all the fees. Well, listen, I don't know about Saitama and Shinja, right? Saitama and Shinja are both on Ethereum. But a lot of these coins that are on the Binance Smart Chain, if you go out there and you trade for them, let's just say you do $100 worth, you're literally only going to lose like $1. So not bad at all if you're buying these new coins that are on the Binance Smart Chain. Juice says it should be illegal. It should be illegal to sell that. It should be illegal to take all your money. Come on now, Juice. You want to be able to take your profits. Is there any platform I can get any crypto out there? Because Coinbase is not trading some cryptos. Yeah, snow cone. So you're going to need a wallet, and then you're going to need to use one of these decentralized exchanges. Okay, you can use the bigger ones that are out there right now: Uniswap, PancakeSwap, and SushiSwap. PancakeSwap is very simple. I use PancakeSwap for the majority of the coins. If they're not available on one of those, you're going to have to use another one. But what you do is you get a wallet like Trust Wallet, and then you connect your wallet to PancakeSwap. And then let's say you've got some Binance Smart Chain in your wallet. You trade that. Let's say you get $100 Binance Smart Chain. Well, let's just say you get $200 and you want to buy $100 worth of a coin. You take your $100 and you just swap it for. You can't do Shib Inu because Shib Inu is not on the Binance Smart Chain. But if it was, you just take your $100, swap it for $100 worth of Binance Smart Chain, swap it for $100 worth of Shib Inu. You might end up with like $98 worth of Shiba Inu, but it goes in your wallet just like the Binance Smart Chain was. So you do pay some fees, you pay some network fees and some transaction fees and whatever, but you have to use a decentralized exchange. Now the problem, or I guess the risk with decentralized exchanges, is that if you do, basically any coin can be put on a decentralized exchange. Coinbase, Crypto.com, all of these different centralized exchanges out there, they vet the coins that they're going to be listing. So you would expect larger coins, ones that are verified, ones that are proven, to be listed on there. You know, let's just say I created Shib Inu or I created Zelda Inu in my room last night, and I was going to scam everybody into trading me their coins. Everybody, if I go out and make $1 million worth of Binance coin overnight, now we know there was $2 million being traded on Zelda Inu the very first day. So let's say I make $2 million with a Binance coin the very first day, and I'm like, shoot, dude, I just made this fake coin. I'm gonna cancel it and take my Binance coin and walk away. That's the risk you run with buying these, brand new nobody coins on a decentralized exchange. Did I miss the 11 a.m.? There was one. Saif, you did not miss it, man. So I did not have everything set up the way that I should. So there was no 11 a.m. live stream today. Speaking of orders, is one able to unprogram themselves after they get out of the military? Saw an interesting thing on TV about vets coming out. Banana Man. Disconnect is the word they used. Yeah, that I do not know, man. I never served in the military. Thank you to everybody who has, but I do not know what they go through. Frank says, with an improving financial position, one of our... This is a good test of the mic. Did you guys hear that truck pulling up the neighbor's driveway? Let me know if you heard the neighbor's truck going up the driveway there. Because if you did, the mic picks up sounds behind it. If you did not, the mic does not pick up sounds behind it. I want to know what you guys heard or not. Frank said, Part 1, with an improving financial position, one of our 2022 goals is to strengthen our balance sheet. There is no guarantee of success, but we will try very hard to get this done. We are always thinking of creative ways to make AMC's future more secure. Yes, Adam Aaron and the marketing team at AMC have been doing very well. Illegal to take your money? This is a casino! Oh, yeah, we're talking about Juicy's comment up there. Gotcha. Obi-Wan Shibnobi. Yes, I'm pretty sure there's more to come from the AMC NFT. It was designed out on AMC despite not needing verification. Why? Could have been any other design. It's no accident. More to come for sure. Pringleton is definitely on that. Pringleton, yeah, Pringleton, you've been thinking about that a lot lately. Yes, heard the truck. Sounds like a V8. Yeah, it is, Adam. All right. Yep, heard it. Yes, we can hear everything. Safe! All right, cool. Silence truck. I just wondered if you guys could hear that or not. Let's see. Is MetaMask a wallet clipper? Yes, it is, Broke Ape. MetaMask is like the exact same thing as Trust Wallet. So you got plenty of wallets that you can choose from out there. It just depends on which one you want to use. My wife's boyfriend told me to buy a Crow. Is that a good idea? To listen to your wife's boyfriend, never a good idea. Buying Crow could be a good idea. Transitioning back into civilian life is only difficult if you're not a very adaptive person. I know a few people who had issues, but they weren't exactly social butterflies who functioned well. Gotcha, Devil's Advocate. And look, that makes it, Devil's Advocate would know. Shib, very positive. Look at the roadmap. Very good. I'm still happy that despite the economy and financial condition, I'm still able to earn 19,000. Oh, we got one of those bots in here. My initial 2,500 every 24 hours. Cryptocurrency is the master key. Laura, what is 2 plus 2? I'm just going to ask you for JB. What is 2 plus 2? Because I know that you were a robot. I heard you fart earlier, but I wasn't going to say anything. Amy! Nah, it must have been somebody else. It wasn't me. AMC are looking to refinance their debt. Consolidation will definitely clean up the sheet and then pay their debt easier. Yeah, dude, I hope everything helps AMC clean up their balance sheet because $6 billion in debt is not good. Rumpe. I don't know about that. Yeah, JB, I got you, man. I got you. I know that Laura's fake news over there. I know Laura's fake news, so got you on that one. Kubro, you know you made it now that you are being botted. Boom. Bring the bots on, baby. Bring the bot, especially botted during the live stream, right? My goodness. No. Don't click that. Crow's potential of marketing, Visa cards, stadiums, etc. I agree. The robots are coming to get us. Frodo, the robots are coming to get us, man. The way you say a robot makes me think you're a robot and you can't say the word properly because they didn't program you to be self-aware and wanted you to think you're human. That's okay. My dad says robot. And he ain't even messing around. He ain't even trying to say robot. He says robot. Not robot. Robot. Every 24 hours, Laura. Why are you telling anyone else? Buy crypto just as it's about to dump? Yes, Springleton, that's exactly right. I'm pretty sure there's a Clinton series on unknown anarchy AMC theaters killing when someone in the movie theater was hired drunk, giving kids a debit card, making the guardians pay a fine. Lipton's lips. What? I didn't even understand that, man. Robot? Your dad thinks all robots are made by Pixar? I think he does, dude. He definitely says robot. Definitely says robot. He watched Futurama. Somebody, maybe. Too bad the bots don't subscribe. Send them all to my channel. That's what I'm saying. Frank, bots, click the subscribe button. Somebody click the subscribe button. Did we make 70 yet? Or are you guys out there fake newsing me? Fire sale. Calling a fire sale on Shiba right now. $32.91. Get it while it's hot. Please get it while it's hot. The mice clicking equals stocks go up. Can you guys hear my mouse click? I know you can hear it click because I can see it. Yeah, I can see the audio move up. I know you guys can hear it. Can't some Frank, they never got approved for options trading. Darn it, man. Darn it. Maybe next time, Frank. Can you please explain why all coins go down, Bitcoin goes down? Is it because people buy coins with Bitcoin or whales or bots or what? Salem, it's very difficult to explain the correlation between these random little coins and Bitcoin. Now, some of the major coins out there just, I don't know. I know I can't. I cannot explain it perfectly. So if you're talking about why all crypto go down nearly in the exact same pattern as Bitcoin, I cannot explain that like to where it makes good sense. I can explain it bad by telling you that they use Bitcoin as overall like the market guidance on what cryptocurrency is doing. So when there's a sell-off in Bitcoin, there's going to be a sell-off in all the other coins as well. But aside from using it as an example of what the market is doing, no, I can't tell you why all coins have the exact same pattern sometimes. I mean, click. What is your 2022 market What is your 2022 market outlook? Bullish or bearish? I woke up today not having any idea where markets are heading. Never felt more lost. Banana Man, I honestly think if we are nearing the end of all of the COVID talk, the market is going to continue to move to the upside. Now, the only thing that could stand in its way is extreme inflation. That is something that we should have in the back of our minds. With inflation at 6.8%, I do not believe that it is done rising. The stimulus checks that were given out, the trillions of dollars that were printed during the COVID relief or CARES Act or whatever it was, we are starting to feel the ramifications of that. And if inflation drastically increases, interest rates will eventually increase to combat that inflation. Now, if we see inflation at 10+% and they start raising interest rates to 5, 6, 7+%, the market will go down because of that. People will pull their money out of the stock market where they can expect a 9 to 12% annual average. If they can get 7, 8, 9% guaranteed at a bank or in bonds. So if we do see drastic increases in interest rates to fight the inflation, we're going to run into something probably worse than like the COVID pullback or whatever you want to call it. Hey, Clibro, looks like you hit the gym. Rob, I did hit a guy named Jim before, man. I did. No, I'm just kidding. Get out of here, fake Claybro. We got a fake Claybro in here? Come on, man. Don't spam, please. Yes, don't spam or AMC Trap will put you in your place. And so will Frank. Get him, boys. Shred is like, go, 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 blue names. Get him. She was gone down. Muhammad Chaka. Yeah, she would pull down to 32.88 right now. Hopefully, this level of support holds up. How to merge OpenSea with MetaMask. So, Broke Ape, I actually do not have any NFTs, so I have not done really any research or buying of NFTs on OpenSea. I'm not sure how to coordinate your wallets using OpenSea. It's Claybot? Yeah, dude, it's Claybot. I want to be Claybot and Claybro. Clay, did you see Shiba's market cap flipped Robinhood? No, I did not see that, but that is perfect. Gently caress the like button as you're cupping the nose. Frank, now that, my friend, sounds like something I'm interested in. I say we get started. 1K. What? Thoughts on Hero and Huh? Dirk. I can't give you my thoughts on those because I don't know anything about them, man. I'm going to be completely honest with you. Wouldn't want to lie to you. I don't know anything about Hero or Huh. Well, name one Shib. Let's check out Hero. Hero swap. This is another. It's not even being tracked yet. Don't know anything about Hero. Huh token. Is Hero token brand new? Alright, so 888 billion coins for Huh. And it's down 3% today. Just released about 2 weeks ago. Trading volume 246,000. Do not know what the market cap is, but it's got to be pretty low at this point to be ranked 4,000. I don't know if I'll show it to you. I don't know if this is bottoming out here or what, but it's lower now than it was when it was released. You had a nice gain going from about 3 zeros and a 1 up to 3 zeros and a 2, so doubled in price, and has been coming down ever since. 4 zeros and a 3 would have lost 90% of its value. So definitely getting hit pretty hard. Definitely getting hit pretty hard. I don't know if it's a buy or not, man. I don't know anything about this coin or what their plans are. UFO gaming, yeah. Adrian, I do like UFO gaming. Okay, and I see a lot of articles being written about UFO gaming and the potential for metaverse space games. I do think so. I think it's going to be a good one. You know anything about Hero? Bro, Big Hero 6 was a great movie. Nah, I've never seen Big Hero 6. Huh? Hype coin. This one, you're saying that was probably a hype coin. Meta Hero moved 6,000% in 6 days last week. Okay, Meta Hero is not what I was looking up there. Okay. That is not what I was looking up. So this has been out since July. What? 6,000% in 6 days last week? $6,000%. I don't know about that. Do not know. Hope UFO will rival Gala soon. Adrian would be. I assume you have UFO then, right? Question: are you going to get any games on your newly finished PC? Or are you strictly going to do crosswords and play virtual bingo with people who share your hairline? Too bad. It is time to go. My goodness. No, dude. I don't know. I don't know about games. I would suck at any games that I played. Too bad it is time to go, and I can't entertain a Devil's Advocate's hairline comment there. I want to say thank you to everybody. Thank you for being patient this morning. Thank you for hanging out this afternoon. 2 more videos tonight, 7 p.m., 8 p.m. Make sure to check those out. Get your name in the chat right now for a shout-out. We'll get that bad boy going on, and then we can get ready for the videos. Make sure you guys watch those videos. Click the like button. Share the videos with somebody. Let's start 2022 off on the right foot. And first trading day of 2022. Let's smash 70,000 subscribers. So if you guys know somebody that hasn't hit that subscribe button yet, make sure to let them know about the channel, and we'll bust 70,000 the first trading day of 2022. But Devil's Advocate, Jarrett, Dreamers People, HG, John, Frank, Dirk, Freddie, Shredda, Jim, Victor, JB, AMC Trapper, saying peace out to the diamond-handed Abes. Donnell, bye to you. That one dude, Dirk, John, Freddie, Julie Miller, bye-bye, Pringleton, Victor, thank you very much for the salt shaker, Victor. Guys, you take some salt and you pour it out. And because you got to pour it out on the table, and then you throw it over your shoulder for good luck. Throw that salt over your shoulder. And then because salt tastes so good, you just got to... Oh, man, and every single time it gets in your eyes, and I don't know why. It stinks, man. Thank you very much, Victor. Absolutely appreciate the salt shaker. Lipton, Gorilla, Saif, Devil's Advocate, peace out to you. TMI's Box, see you later. Pringleton, 925, Adrian, Lipton's, Dreamers People. All right, guys, you know what time it is. So if you want to say it with me, we can actually go back to the other intro page, too. That's cool. So if you want to say it with me, say it with me. Until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.